Alexa, we got one.
It's not that I don't want you here. No. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. Yeah.
Guys, I'm about to go live on TikTok. I just want to go live on TikTok. And my other channel, I haven't done any video there, so I'm going to do that. That's what I'm doing day in the life. Is it day in the life? Because this is evening. Look at my life. This is what my life is right now. Anyway, so yeah.
Sit right next to you. I don't want to kiss you.
We are playing with sugar something for learning how to write. And look, stop.
Everybody, look at me.
Stop. Oh yeah, write letter G.
Where put the cartoon?
Write it yourself.
Where's the cartoon, please?
What letter is this?
G.
No, this is.
Letter 9.
Looks like lowercase a. See your face. What's wrong with you? Stop it. Yeah, right, letter A. Good job.
B.
No, but you have to put it back together like this. You need to get a proper tray. A, B. Good. That's uppercase B.
No, that's lower. Uppercase B.
Uppercase B. Don't do that.
My mommy, give me a special this thing in the internet.
You what?
This thing in the internet.
Yeah, right.
C.
C. Good job. Right.
D.
D. Is that how to write D?
I know.
See my house because somebody wants to. Okay.
F.
F.
E.
Okay, write it. Put it back together and do it well. Let me write H.
I don't know. That was name.
It's cute, right?
Yeah.
It's not cute. Stop it. Oh my god, just look at your body. You won't play with this thing again. Don't do that. Yeah, it's time to end this play. Look at what Barrister Temitope is looking like. Barrister. I'll beat you. I'll beat you now. Stop it.
Never.
Never. It's not me and you that wants to do this play that he wants to play. He wants ants to begin to bite. Oh yeah, let's pack up. Come and watch
Let's
cartoon.
do it. I will watch it in the yellow phone. My phone.
So midterm break. Yeah, so it's at home with me. And I just said let's try all these Montessori things that I've been seeing, and it's actually very easy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go and get food coloring and color rice, yellow, gold, blue. How did you enjoy?
Fine.
What did you do?
I was writing lowercase 8, lowercase b, lowercase c, lowercase d, lowercase e, lowercase f, lowercase g, lowercase h, lowercase i, lowercase j, lowercase k, lowercase l, lowercase n, lowercase n, lowercase
Why are you breathing like that?
Lowercase p, lowercase q, lowercase p, lowercase w, lowercase z.
Lowercase z. Okay. So we have to pack up now. Go and get a broom.
Brown?
Yes, you have to sweep this place.
Never.
Yes. What's never?
I don't want to sleep.
You will sweep. It's easy to scatter. It's easy to scatter.
Let's unbox this pot together. I was actually talking, but the audio was not audioing, so I said let's just do voiceover. And I hear you guys love my voice when I do audio voiceovers, so this is going to be a thing. Because I see it in my analytics that whenever I do audio voiceovers, like the retention rate is so high. So let's make use of our voice. Anyway, you guys, if you have been following me on this channel, well, not this particular one, on my other channel that we converted to commentary channel that used to be my vlogging channel, you know, life is just complicated, whatever. You guys know that I've been on this pot matter. I want to buy new pots, and it's not like I've really not had the money personally to buy the pots, but just listen to me. I take this content creation thing as a business, and in my mind I'm like, if this thing that I spend my time cannot buy me pots, I will not use money from other avenues to buy these pots, because if I was not doing YouTube, nobody will know the type of pots that I'm using at home. So it will just be pinching me when I want to spend, if I want to spend like personal money. So since I've been gathering money to buy pots from my YouTube money, I kid you not, because it's business expense, so the business has to pay for its expenses, because I'm going to use it to make videos that will bring in money. So that's how I see it. So let me know in the comment section what you think. Anyway, so I got it on Jumia. They were doing sales and they said it's 8 pieces, meanwhile it's 4 pots and 4 covers. Is that how they used to deceive people, this pot industry? I would just when I saw it, it was nice. I kind of like it. At least it's fancy, because see, yes, I know that I'm part of people that used to say start with what you have, where you are, and I believe in it. But at the end of the day, whatever you are doing, you have to be progressing in life. Progress is the name of the game. So I stopped doing cooking videos because I truly did not like my pots. I did not like it. Even though my mother was like, I used to, people say I like when you cook. I'm always surprised when people say they like when I cook, because I always feel like, what am I doing? It's nonsense. But anyway, I feel this is fine. This is presentable. At least it has a certain time. We never buy the 300k pots. Okay, I see. I get one place for Abuja when I go. Now all those type expensive pots. Now they say, I say, God, you will do it for my YouTube channel. The people watching me, they watch all my video finish so that we can buy 300k pots to cook with. But this is nice, and I feel like it's good. It's not very big, okay, and really I don't have a large family, but I have big pots, so we can always use those big pots. But when it comes to like doing videos and all of that, this will do. This can serve. Okay, now this may not be a big deal to some people, but you see, now the work of my hands with this one. YouTube is the work of my hands, so I'm excited that my business is able to buy itself pots. So by the time my business go buy studio, una go day here when my business go buy studio. So mo na mi tan Jehovah ekele delete you cool. Anyway, so yeah, thank you so much guys. I'm just going to be coupling it, and yeah, thank you if you've watched to this point. Thank you so much. You are an OG. I appreciate you. I love you. You are the best. Okay, anyway, so just enjoy the video to the end. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Get to know me, tapping into that good energy. In the mood for something carefree. Pour a drink, have a seat next to me. Yeah. Touching my skin, got us both wanting more. Breath on my neck, got my clothes all over the floor. yeah. Baby, can you stop hesitating? No more second thoughts, stop delaying. Got me feeling like